Who will speak first?
Maker said we must go.
If we leave now, we can go with man and woman. Water came from their eyes.
Woman and man, that tree, one forbidden fruit.
Maker gave them one rule. One.
Something over there. A new smell.
Maker came to us. We were grazing by the water. Maker said man and woman needed a covering that we could provide. Oxen stepped forward.
Cat is right. One rule. We can't trust them.
Whales sent me. The sea creatures are heading into the deep. We're leaving now too.
Maker says the ground is cursed now. Will that hurt my grass?
What is cursed?
Eden. No more.
Someone needs to be with them.
Who else will follow man and woman?
I must go to be with my own.
We made our choice.